Dear children, yesterday I taught you what is democracy, why democracy. In this chapter, आपको मेजर डिसीजन टेकन बाय एक्टर लीडर्स, पहली बात सबसे पहले सिंपल डेफिनेशन ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, फीचर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी एंड मेजर डिसीजन टेकन बाय एक्टर लीडर्स एंड प्रैक्टिकल पोजीशन के बारे में पढ़ाया था. नाउ लुक एट द पॉइंट फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्टोरल कंपटीशन. फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्टोरल कंपटीशन के बारे में देखें. इन दिस चैप्टर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ चाइना and Mexico will give us an understanding of this feature of the democracy. यहाँ चाइना और मैक्सिको के एग्जाम्पल बेसिकली एग्जाम्पल को लेकर के डेमोक्रेसी को व्यक्त किया गया है. कहते हैं द मेंबर्स केस ऑफ चाइना फर्स्ट है. द मेंबर्स ऑफ चाइना पार्लियामेंट आर कॉल्ड कांगो रेनमिन बायो दौरी नेशनल पीपल कांग्रेस का नाम है. वहाँ के जो नेशनल कांग्रेस के सदस्य होते हैं उन्हें कांगो रेनिन डाइबियो दोहरी कहा जाता है. दे आर इलेक्टेड बाई पीपुल्स आफ्टर एवरी 5 years. जिनका 5 साल बाद चुनाव होता है, चुने जाते हैं कह सकते हो. द नेशनल पीपल कांग्रेस इज एम्पावर्ड टू अपॉइंट द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द कंट्री एंड सम मेंबर्स इलेक्टेड बाय द आर्मी. बिफोर contesting election, a candidate needs to obtain the approval of the Chinese Communist Party. Only its members are members of 8 parties are allowed to contest the election. In this way, the government is always formed by Communist Party. चुने तो जाते हैं लेकिन एक कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी है, उनके द्वारा उन मेंबरों को सरकार में शामिल किया जाता है. केस ऑफ मैक्सिको became independent in 1930. Elections are held there after every 6 years to elect its president. यहाँ 6 साल में प्रेसिडेंट को चुना जाता है, वहाँ 5 साल में मेंबरों को चुना जाता है. Mexico has never been under military or dictator's rule. Till 2000, all the president elections were owned by the PRI, Institutional Revolutionary Party. The reason is they employed many corrupt practice and unethical means to win the election every time. Malpractice of PRI. Main malpractices were as under party meeting. All the government officials had to attend party meeting. Parents, teachers of government school used to force parents to vote for the PRI. Shifting booths. Sometimes polling booths are shifted from one place to another to make it difficult for the people to cast their votes. Conclusion of both the cases. Analysis of election in both the case of China and Mexico so that the election do not look to have been held properly. The reasons are: holding election of any kind is not sufficient. The election must offer a real choice between political alternatives. People should have right to use this choice to remove the existing rulers if they wish. So these examples are not of true democracies. In this way, another feature of democracy is that a democracy must be based on free and fair election, where those currently in power have a fair change of lost. One person, one vote, one man. The struggle for democracy was linked to the demand for universal adult franchise. This means above the 18 or 18 to vote rights. This principle has now come to be accepted almost all over the world. However, there are many instances of denial of the equal right to vote. Some are as for Saudi Arabia, women do not have the right to vote. अभी सऊदी अरबिया में औरतों को वोट देने का अधिकार नहीं है, ऐसा कह रहे हैं इसमें बुक में। एस्टोनिया में द सिटीजनशिप रूल्स आर मेड such as a way that people belonging to Russian minority find it difficult to get the right to vote. Fiji. The electoral system is constituted in such a way that the vote of an indigenous Fijian has more value than that of an Indian Fijian. It must be kept in mind that democracy is based on a fundamental principle of political equality. It gives us the third features of democracy. In a democracy, each adult citizen must have one vote and each vote must have one value. रूल ऑफ लॉ एंड एक्सेप्ट फॉर राइट्स। डेमोक्रेसी में कानून का शासन होता है, व्यक्ति का नहीं। तो कहते हैं टू अंडरस्टैंड द फीचर्स टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस फीचर वी में स्टडी द केस ऑफ जिम्बाब्वे। जिम्बाब्वे अटेंड द इंडिपेंडेंस फ्रॉम वाइट minority rule in 1980. From then onwards, the country has been ruled by ZANU-PF. It is the party that led the freedom struggle. The party leader Robert Mugabe has been president of the country since it became independent. The position in reality is as under. Elections are always won by this party by the use of violence and harassment of the opposition, politicians, workers and journalists. Protests against the president are declared illegal. The government pays no heed to court judgment. No need to court judgment which go against it. There is no rule of law. The citizens' rights are not respected. The example of Zimbabwe shows that popular approval of the rulers is necessary but not sufficient in democracy. Popular government can be undemocratic and popular leaders can be autocratic. Conclusion from the case of Zimbabwe. Main conclusions are as follows. The state should be respect the basic rights of citizens. These are freedom of express, freedom of protest, and freedom to take political action. These rights should be protected by judiciary, whose orders should be obeyed by all. A democratic government cannot do whatever it likes only on the basis that it has own an action. It has to respect some basic rules. It has to respect some guarantees to the minorities. It is essential that every major decision be taken after a series of consultations. Elected persons should be held responsible to the people as well as to other independent officials. In this way, another feature of democracy is that our democratic government rules within limits set by constitutional law and citizens' rights. Four traits of democracy. First, decision by the elected people, regular, free and fair election, right to vote, limitation. ये पॉइंट्स हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट डे.